One, everywhere you go, bring your gun. For two, boy, you better be ready to hit it.
They be in a video like this. These niggas dances for real. I fuck with it though. Cash Camp. I'm back with another video. I think I spit. By the title of the video, you know what kind of video it is. A reaction video. By the title of the video, you know react. So we got from the block Hurricane Chris, WhippaFlippa. I don't know why I said it like that. I feel like it's the only way you can say WhippaFlippa. You can't say it regularly. You feel me? But I tune to see what you're saying for. If you new, hit the sub button, like, comment, let me know how you feel about the content. If you're not new, hit the sub button. If you didn't hit the sub button, hit the sub button. I'm trying to get on my mom because I didn't know how to do it. We got tuning in. Hurricane Chris. Hey, baby, that's him, right? It gotta be him. I'm not that old. You feel me? I'm not old at all, to be honest. But WhippaFlippa. He ready. I'm back. That's what he's saying right now. I'm with that. We in 4K with it. That's good.
I done put some young dumb niggas on the payroll. Hold on. With them Dracos coming from the front and the back. Huh? Real in the field when the coach in the blitz. No, a nigga gotta go and get.
Hold on. He got something to prove. Hold on. Hurricane. That nigga said, hey, baby, nigga. Nah, nigga. Hold on. He look, That nigga look ready. The hand rub is what, yeah. Hold on. Let me go my shoes. Hold on.
I done put some young dumb niggas on the payroll, running with them Dracos, coming from the front and the back. Said it's real in the field when the coach in the blitz. No, a nigga gotta go and get a quarterback sack. Before they go rack. You ain't certified in the hood and a nigga gon' take your pack. Jack for your shit, now them niggas on the ground with your chain on their neck telling you to get it.
Yo, how you bobbing, y'all? Yeah. Look how you bobbing. Look at the bob. Look at the bob.
I done put some young dumb niggas on the payroll.
And they go to the front and the back.
In the field when the coach in the blitz. No, a nigga gotta go and get a quarterback sack. Before they go rack. You ain't certified in the hood and a nigga gon' take your back. Got Jack for your shit, now them niggas on the ground with your chain on their neck telling you to get it back. Type of nigga fall under pressure, couldn't handle the load on his back.
What's that? That's an alarm? That's my alarm. Hold on, y'all. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
I give a fuck what he's selling. How you gon' buy from a rat?
Nah, I don't back one time, yo. We got 2 minutes. That nigga was going crazy. Hold on. Hurricane Chris is back.
I give a fuck what he's selling. How you gon' buy from a rat? No coming back. Now you can't hang on the set with the gang. We ain't rockin' like that. You don't want drama like that. You get hit with a yapper like that on my side of the track. I sent your bitch on the road. Let's go give me a load and she bringing it back. Standing in the middle of the kitchen. Fuck nigga, we ain't cool like that. Never gonna get my attention. I ain't hear one word that he said. He ain't bout no rap. Nah, fuck niggas ain't bout no rap. Ain't heard one word that he said. Can't give him my attention cause it really ain't bout no stacks.
My nigga's going crazy. Hurricane Chris is back. Hurricane Chris is back. You see it in the it's wax.
Fuck niggas ain't bout
no wax.
Ain't heard one word that he said. Can't give him my attention cause it really ain't bout
no sex.
Real niggas don't rock like that. I give a fuck what you said and I heard you was telling. Don't come on my side of the track. Nah.
And he's saying bars though at the same time.
I stay with this shit, it's a fact. Your shit gon' get pushed to the back. Not a barber, but I'm quick to line up your face. Nigga come out and get blazed. Stay the fuck out my way, I ain't come here to play. I'm about to bust up your bitch, she been loving on Chris. I'ma have that hoe yelling out Kane. You on the perk that said 30, I already came. And she won't start giving me brain. Heard in the air when I chirp, I just landed the plane. Niggas come copping whole things. I thought the money was fake, had to pull out the marker. You almost got hit with that flame. Making me wait a minute.
Yeah, he been doing this shit for a minute, y'all. He been doing this shit for a minute. Cause he performances and all that. Cause he didn't mess up. This nigga is performing because the song already recorded. He really just singing over some shit. He looked like he's saying this shit. I feel that shit. I feel it. Pause.
Shopping and ballin', I'm telling you that shit is money. Keep calling, they calling, my pocket so heavy now they lift me up with a crown. Keep listening, telling me ain't no more stressing, and I say hello be thy name. Put some dumb niggas on the payroll, with them Dracos, going for the front and the back. Shit is real in the field with a coach shit. So a nigga gotta go and quarterback sack before they go to rap. You ain't certified in the hood, and a nigga gon' take your back. Got jack for your shit, now them niggas on the ground with your chain on their neck, telling you to get it back. Type of shit is that. Type of nigga fall under pressure, couldn't handle the load on his back. You knew he was telling. I give a fuck what he said. How you gon' buy from him? No coming back. Now you can't hang on the set with the gang, we ain't rockin' like that. You don't want drama like that, you get hit with a yapper like that on my side of the track.
WhippaFlippa. Shit, me. Yo, hold on, it's more left. You better go quick. Alright, cuz. Yo. Why the fuck Hurricane Chris was so crazy? Yeah. And then he ain't got no stacks. That's a 9 out of 10. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna front. It's really a 10 out of 10, but it's a 9 out of 10. But it's fire. That was fire. I can't front. That was fire. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I wouldn't lie to y'all. That was fire. Y'all seen it. That was nah, that nigga was crazy. That was fire. I get that 9 out of 10. Hurricane Chris, you back. I ain't gonna lie. Tiger. Big Draco, Trey, nah, nigga, Hurricane Chris. Y'all don't
Please don't let me be misunderstood.
You don't understand, but yeah, I know that you can feel it. Yeah, I cheated on my bitch and I kept fucking on the realest. I ain't going broke, I'm stacking big up to the ceiling and I'm sipping on that vodka till my fingers got no.